Fellas, welcome back. It's Robert, your everyday gentleman. And man, it's been a minute since I've said those words. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded a video. I think the last time I did it was in July when I did the Dyson lighter giveaway. But I did want to get back into the swing of things. There's a number of videos that I'm working on putting out there, so I wanted to jump on and let you guys know that these videos are going to be coming out soon. I also wanted to thank everybody who continues to support this channel, who continues to be part of the EG family, as well as the numerous new subscribers that I have. Even though I haven't been uploading videos, the channel continues to grow, which is awesome. I appreciate each and every single one of you. I have been interacting with you guys in the comments, and I love doing that, so please keep those comments going. Now, like I mentioned, I've got a number of videos that I'm working on, so if you haven't already hit that notification bell, make sure that you do so. Share the video and do all the things that help this channel continue to grow. And remember, being a gentleman is an everyday thing. See you soon, fellas.
We bop and